Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using a $50 keratin treatment to straighten my natural hair. And first, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like what you see, stay tuned for more. So today I'm going to be using the product from Nutri. It's the Amazon list, the Real Brazilian treatment. It's 3 steps and easy to use, and I'm excited to use it. So let me give you a little background about this bun and the state that my hair is in now. Previous to filming this video, I had individual braids in with my real hair, and before I put the braids in, my hair was straightened with the flat iron. So I straightened my hair and then put the braids in it, and then when I took the braids out, this is what it looks like. I feel like it's very important to say, always read the directions. No matter how confident you are, refer to the directions. Okay, here's my hair. I've been wanting to have a straightening that will last a little bit longer. So here's the first step. It is the anti-residue shampoo, and you have to put this in your hair just to get all the impurities out. Here it is. And you have to wet your hair first. So my hair is all wet now. I am applying the anti-residue shampoo, and I really want to get on my scalp. You got to cleanse your scalp really well and then run it through your hair shafts all the way down to the ends to make sure your hair is thoroughly clean. Now I rinse all the shampoo out. My hair is clean and ready for the next step. But before the next step, you have to section your hair into 6 sections. I'm just going to put 6 twists, 3 on the left and 3 on the right. And since my hair is so thick, you have to make sure that you are really evening out your sections and making it easier to maneuver through your hair. So here's my 6 sections, and I'm ready for the next step. So the next step is number 2, the Brazilian smoothing treatment. And what you're going to do with this is I'm going to apply this product to my Denman brush because I don't have gloves for one, even though I am going to touch the product. But I feel like once I put it on the brush and add it to my hair, it gives it a deeper penetration, and I don't have to spend time just rubbing it through. It makes sure it gets in between the hair as well. So I'm going to apply it to all 6 sections of my hair, and you really want to make sure it penetrates, but you don't want to oversaturate the hair. And as you can see here, I apply the product to the brush, but I don't really run the brush all the way through. I don't brush it thoroughly or as if I'm like detangling, because I don't want to over manipulate the hair with this product in it. I just want to take safe steps because I just want to be as careful as possible. I want the best results for the way I like to wear my hair. So after I'm finished applying the Brazilian smoothing treatment, the next step is to take a blow dryer and blow dry your hair about 80 to 85% dry on a cool setting. This matters. So I dried my hair with the twist in, then I took the twist out and I continued blow drying. Now you want to take your 80 to 85% hair, blow dry hair, and put it in 4 sections and prepare to straighten your hair. And you don't add more product to your hair. You just do what the directions say. Follow the directions and you will get the outcome you want. I'm just going to blow dry your hair. Make sure the heat setting is to about 380 to 450, because anything over 450, any temperature over 450 will burn your hair. Remember that. It will damage your hair. So it's safe. You can do 415. Since my hair is a little bit more coarse, I go all the way to 450, nothing more, and your hair will be fine. So I did the flat iron. I flat ironed my hair all over, and I really loved the outcome. I really loved how thick it is, because I don't like really, really thin hair. I don't like the very sleek look, but this will give you the sleek look. And I feel like the flat ironing process really determines how your hair will turn out. So if you like your hair really sleek and that bone straight look, make sure there's no elevation when you are flat ironing your hair. I made sure that my hair has volume, because that's how I like my hair. I like it to have more volume than not. So the flat ironing process really matters, so make sure you pay attention to that. So here is the finished look. I love my results. I love the volume in my hair. I love how silky it is. It has movement. Look at the movement. I love it. And the next and final step is the third step. You're going to use the intensive repair mask, and you're going to use this on your next styling day. All you have to do is apply this mask to your hair, and then after, you just blow dry your hair. You don't have to straighten your hair again. And this is great for those months, those summer months where the humidity gets to your hair. And I thank you guys for watching, and use that code down below for a percentage off, SupNatural. I thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do that and press that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.